Welcome back to Auto Station. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Mercedes-Benz C-Class, a car that continues to set the benchmark for luxury, technology, and driving dynamics in the compact executive sedan segment. If you're a fan of Mercedes-Benz, or just someone looking for a refined and modern sedan, this is one you won't want to miss. The 2025 C-Class builds on its already impressive foundation, combining elegant styling with cutting-edge features. From the outside, the car carries forward its signature design language, with sleek lines, a bold front grille, and the iconic three-pointed star sitting proudly at the center. The headlights have been updated with the latest LED technology, providing an aggressive and futuristic look. The aerodynamic profile isn't just for show. It also enhances fuel efficiency and driving stability at high speeds. Step inside, and you're welcomed by a cabin that screams luxury. Mercedes has taken inspiration from the S-Class, incorporating a large vertically oriented touchscreen infotainment system that seamlessly blends into the center console. This system runs on the latest MBUX software, offering intuitive controls, voice commands, and even artificial intelligence to learn your preferences over time. The digital instrument cluster is customizable, allowing you to tailor the display to your liking, whether you prefer a classic, sport, or futuristic layout. The seats are wrapped in high-quality materials, with options for premium leather and even sustainable alternatives for those who want an eco-friendly touch. Ambient lighting enhances the experience, allowing you to set the mood with up to 64 different color options. The sound system, whether you opt for the standard setup or the high-end Burmester surround sound, ensures that every drive feels like a concert on wheels. Under the hood, the 2025 C-Class continues to offer a range of powertrains to suit different driving styles. The base model comes with a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, now featuring mild hybrid technology for improved fuel efficiency and smoother performance. If you're looking for something sportier, the AMG variants pack more power, delivering exhilarating acceleration and sharper handling. The 4MATIC all-wheel drive system is available for those who want extra stability, especially in challenging road conditions. Mercedes has also placed a strong emphasis on safety and driver assistance. The 2025 C-Class comes equipped with an array of advanced features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automated emergency braking. The semi-autonomous driving system allows for a more relaxed experience on long journeys, taking over some of the workload while keeping you in control. Driving the C-Class is a refined experience, with smooth suspension tuning that balances comfort and sportiness. The steering feels precise, and the ride quality is excellent, whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating city streets. The hybrid assistance not only boosts efficiency, but also enhances low-end torque, making acceleration feel effortless. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz C-Class is a perfect blend of luxury, technology, and performance. It continues to raise the bar in its segment, offering a premium experience for those who appreciate refinement and innovation. Whether you're looking for an elegant daily driver or a sporty sedan with AMG performance, the new C-Class has something for everyone. Stay tuned for more automotive content, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.